Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're going to make upside down shepherd's pie. Today's recipe, you'll need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 10 ounces of lean ground turkey or beef. I'm using ground turkey, 1 medium diced carrot, 1 medium diced onion, a half a cup or 3 ounces of chopped turnips. The turnips add the sweetness to this recipe, but you can always delete them. 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped oregano, 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped rosemary. You can use dried spices if you don't have fresh. 4 garlic cloves minced, 2 cups of beef or chicken stock, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of frozen green peas, salt and pepper. You will also need mashed potatoes. You can use fresh or ones that you buy from the store. I will be making potatoes in a different lesson. I'm not making them in this class. You will also need for tools a large skillet, a spatula, and a whip. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. When your oil is hot, you want to add your ground turkey. Cook your ground meat 6 to 7 minutes or until it is brown, stirring to crumble. Now that your meat is brown and crumbled, you want to add your onions, your turnips, your carrots, your rosemary, your oregano, and your garlic to the pan. And you want to cook it 6 minutes or until your vegetables are tender, and you want to stir it occasionally. The vegetables are cooking to become tender. You want to whisk together your stock and add your flour, and you want to whisk this until the mixture has no lumps, and this will thicken our shepherd's pie. Our vegetables are now tender in our meat mixture. Add your stock mixture to your pan, bring it to a boil, reduce your heat to medium, and simmer for 4 minutes or until it's thickened. Now that it's been 4 minutes, we want to season with salt and pepper. And then we want to stir and add our peas. And then we want to continue to cook until our peas are warm. Now that we have our shepherd's pie done and our plate, we want to make it upside down. We want to add potatoes, which will be another lesson. And then once we have our potatoes on our plate, we want to add our shepherd's pie, and then we want to get some of the sauce as well. And that is our upside down shepherd's pie. Until next time, AOS.